To begin copy trading on Mexc, start by opening the Mexc website and navigating to the Futures section, where you'll find the option to copy trade. Click on this option and scroll down to view the available copy traders, along with their statistics, including 7-day ROI. You can sort these traders by various options, such as total ROI. To find the one with the highest return, select the trader you'd like to follow, based on your preferred criteria, for example, the trader with the highest 7-day ROI. Once you've chosen a trader, click on their profile and then click the Follow button. You'll need to agree to the terms and conditions. So click I understand and agree, and then confirm. Next, ensure you have sufficient funds in your balance to assign to the trader, and fill in the copy trade amount in USDT, either by entering a specific amount or percentage. You'll also need to select a copy trade mode, choosing from a fixed amount or multiplier. Complete the required settings and click Next step. Then confirm your decision to copy the trader. With these steps, you'll be able to successfully copy trade on Mexc.